So today we are going to discuss about my little bit of Homelab setup. So here in the screen you can see it is Jellyfin. Uh, so this is a media streaming server that I'm running in my old laptop. So let's discuss. Uh, so basically I have two laptops. One is old one. So I thought what to do with this old one since I am using my new laptop as much as possible. Mm. So after reading many articles online and from the website XDA, where people host their own servers, different kinds of servers, like some media streaming or photo storing. So I have set up uh, two services. One is Jellyfin for media streaming, and one is Kavita. This is the digital library. It's a digital library. So here we can read PDF, mangas, and all the files are stored in this old laptop. So basically, I used install Docker and run the compose file for this Jellyfin and Kavita. And as the Jellyfin is running on port number 8096 on my localhost, and for Kavita it is running on 5000 port number. So let me show you. So this is the Jellyfin server. So this is the Jellyfin server. Here you can see it is running on 8096 port number, and this is the IP of my old laptop. I statically set it so that I can connect between my old and new laptop. So I uh, I connected with a LAN cable, my new laptop and the old one, and statically type set IP. This one I set as 192.168.1.2, and this one probably 192.168.1.1. So then these two laptop can talk with each other. So from this laptop, which I am currently uh, recording this video, so now we can access uh, the server running here, uh, as it is running on this computer's local host airport number 8096 for this one, so we can access it directly from this computer. So I have added one movie, and there are some series I have downloaded, and I just add those folders here so we can play. This is actually streaming, or you can say uh, we are getting this file from this laptop, from the old one. So, and next one is the Kavita that I told you. Uh, this is running on the port 5000. Uh, this look like this. So here I have added some PDFs of books, and you can see here if we start reading this, it is loading. So 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 wherever I left this PDF, it stores the page number. uh, I have added 3 folders for libraries. It is very nice actually. So it is like host my own digital library, and this one is host my own media server. This is the GitHub repository of Jellyfin. So you can download from here, and the installation guide is there, how to install it in Docker. For Kavita also. So as this computer is running these two uh, Docker images, we can also access it from a smartphone also using uh, by connecting to the hotspot of this laptop and going into the IP address and using the port number, it just loads like the way I have just shown here, similar to this. So it is very handy. So more than one people can connect to the hotspot of this laptop and access those services. So now for the connection between my old one and the new one, I can also communicate by connecting to the hotspot of this laptop. But as I have one LAN cable, so I just connected the LAN, and I have also enabled the SSH, so I can access into the old one where I am running the services. So let me show you. So we are now inside my old laptop. So I am running Debian in my old one. So now if we let me show you you can see the system is running a Debian Linux. Next, let me show you the Docker instances running. So here you can see that this one is the Kavita, the digital library server running on port 500, and this one is the Jellyfin, the Windows streaming server. This one, the Jellyfin runs on the port number 8096 by default. So these two are the Docker instances currently running, and and for sharing files, I am using the Samba service, which is basically used to share files and print. Uh, so I have made one of the folder shareable on the network, so I can access that folder from my Windows machine. So let me show you also that one. So here this is the one. So I have to log in it. Yes. So you can see these movies that earlier we saw in the Jellyfin server. So I have shared that folder here. So these are the files. So as I have it has a 500 GB hard disk, so I can also use the storage. So by using the Samba service, we are sharing the folders here. So basically a simple Homelab setup, I would say, uh, for sharing files and for streaming uh, medias. So if you have collection of PDF files, so you can just run it in your computer, installing those servers, and you can access it easily and in a categorized manner, sorted manner in the browser. And if you have many videos and movies, you categorize them in folder and then just give access to the Jellyfin server. So you can then uh, see them very nicely, and also it saves how many episodes you have watched and up to which show. So it can resume from where you left off, and multiple people can connect to the device. Multiple people connect to the device here. So when you don't have one, two or more laptops, you can use this on the single PC. Uh, so that is all.